Hello guys, welcome to this video. I'll still be looking at Information and Communication Technology paper 2, October-November 2023. So for this video, I'm going to focus on presentation. Okay, so let's go down to it. Okay, I'd already done the document production as well as the database. Okay, so I'll leave a link down below for the both of the videos. Okay, all right. So, so the question goes, you are going to create a short presentation. All slides must have a consistent layout and formatting. Create a presentation of 5 slides using the file n2302guide.rtf. Unless otherwise instructed, the slides must display a title and a bulleted list. Okay, so let's go ahead to open this using our PowerPoint. So I'm going to just open PowerPoint right here. Let me just remember the file again. So that's guide.rtf. So I want to go to open. Let me browse for the file. Go to my desktop. I'm interested in October, November here. Open that. I think it's in my source folder. So I'm going to go to all files. So I'm interested in opening the guide.rtf here. So open that. Okay, so from the question, it's supposed to be about 5 slides. As you can see, we have 5 slides here, so we are in order, right? So we've been able to do that, right? So let's highlight. So number 24, place in the header your name, center number, and candidate number right aligned. Make sure that the header appears in the same position on every slide. Okay, so for us to achieve this, we're going to use the slide master, right? So what you're going to do is that you're going to go to view. You want to go to slide master here. Then ensure that you click on the first slide here. This is number 1 slide, so that anything you apply will apply on all layouts. So you have to be very careful with this. Okay, make sure you select the first slide, go up to select the first slide. Okay, so one of the things I can do here is I can have my information down here at the footer. So this placeholder here, I can have my name, Kechuku Anolefo. Okay, Kechuku Anolefo, comma, NG 15, oh sorry, that's NG 156, comma, and then 0004 as my candidate number. Okay, so for me to activate this information here, I need to go to insert. You want to go to header and footer. Then you want to make sure that footer is checked here, so you can apply to all. When you apply to all, your job is to take it up to the right side. Okay, so you can take it up to the right side, and then making sure that no placeholders are overlapping each other. So I'm going to keep it here, right? And then probably just this one here. And then the next thing I'm going to do is to probably make it black. So I'll make it bold. The question never said we should make it bold, so I'm going to leave it as black. Maybe increase the font a bit, something like that. So we're gonna have it something this way. Okay, so if I go ahead to exit my slide master, let me just exit that. You see that my name, all my information are showing in every slide. Okay, so that's how you can achieve that. Now you can also try as much. You can actually do it in another way. Let me just be sure. I click on the first slide. You can actually use the text box to do that, right? So you can go to insert, and you want to use text box here. It's also here on the text group, anywhere you want to get it from. So I can click and drag. I can actually have my information there and or whatnot, and then save that changes, and then it will still appear on every page. Okay, so you can do it anyhow that you want, as long as it is in the right position, right? So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to exit for now. So I've got everything correctly here. So make sure that the header appears in every page. Okay, so candidate number right aligned. So I think that is done. Okay, so we can select that. So number 25, change layout of the slide with the title age rating system to a title and table. Okay, with the title this, and then to a title and a table. Okay, okay, so let's see. So the one that has age rating system, I suppose, a rating system. So we want to change it from a title to a table. So this one is title and a bullet. Okay, so we can just click on it. You want to go up to layout here. So you want to actually click on this particular one, title and content. So that will contain a table for you. So you can as well go to right click on that particular slide and then go to layout here, and then you can pick it from here. So I'll do that. So as you can see, the table will be here, so we can actually insert table by clicking this. Okay, so that's exactly the type of layout they want us to have. Okay, so that's for that. So create a table that contains 3 columns and 6 rows. Okay, 3 columns and 6 rows. So we can now click on that table. So I click on it, 3 columns and then 6 rows. So I'm going to click there, and then I'm going to okay that. Okay, so we insert a table right there. Okay, so format the table so that a plain table style is applied with no cell shading. Okay, so want to make sure that you select the table. You want to go to table style here. You want to take this particular one. I want to click on no style table grid. So you want to just have it plain, right? And then all internal and external grid lines are displayed when printed. Yes, of course, they're going to display when printed, right? So if you still want to be sure that it is, then go to file and then go to print, and then you can see that they are all displaying in the print preview. So you are very correct, right? Okay, so let me just highlight this. Okay, so that done. So number 26, copy the data from the file N2302 ratings.csv and place this in the table created in step 25. Okay, so we're going to, what's this? We're going to copy. Let's open the file ratings.csv. Let's go ahead from our evidence. Where's evidence? Here. Ratings. Am I in the right place? No. I'm in specimen. I just finished doing specimen paper. Okay, so here. So what do we have? Where's the file? Oops, let me remember the name. Ratings. Okay. So where's the ratings? Okay, so this is ratings, so we can open that. So for the first thing I'm going to do is to select A to C columns, and then double click to make sure that all my levels are showing. So you want to select everything. Remember that it's just 3 columns. It just spans across 3 columns. So I'm going to just copy and then get here. So what I will do is I will select everything and then just control V. You can press Control V, and then everything is, because they have equal number of rows and columns. Okay, so that's why it's so easy like this. Another way you can do this is just by right clicking here in one of the cells, basically in the first cell here on the top left corner, and then going to use destination, using the destination style, so you can actually apply that too. So but I prefer to select here and then paste. Okay, so that's fine. So that will give me a little bit of it will be easy for me in a way. Okay, so let's even go on. Let's go on. Adjust the column width so data in column 3 wraps over no more than 3 lines. Okay, so we want to make this. So let's see. Let me just be sure of what I'm doing. Adjust the column width so that in column 3 in column 3 wraps over no more than 3 lines. Okay, so what we can do here is to adjust this, okay, so that it will not wrap over more than 3 lines like this. Okay, so we'll have for this one now we'll have 2 lines, so it must not be more than 3 lines. Okay, so I think it's okay like this, so let's move on. Okay, so number 26 is done. So number 27, format the table so that the height of all 6 rows is set to 2 centimeters. Make sure the data in column 3 still wraps over no more than 3 lines. Okay, so let's make the height of each row to be 2 centimeters, right? So what you want to do, you want to select everything here. You want to go to layout here. So when you select the table, you see that these two tabs will appear. You need table design and layout. So you want to go to layout, you want to go to the height here, and then put 2 here, and then enter. So it will distribute the rows. Okay, the rows will be distributed in 2 cm, all the rows. Okay, so that's number 27. We've done that. So 28, format the table so the first column of the table has a solid black background with white text. Okay, so we can go ahead and then solid. Okay, so let's do that. Let's do it. Let's not even so what I want to do here, I'll go to table design. Sorry, table design. The shading has to be black, and then of course the text field has to be white. Okay, so let's see the next thing. Okay, so format the tables so column 1, 2, and 3 looks like this. Okay, what we have here. So that's actually where I'm going. So to achieve this, we want to so let me undo everything so I see what I'm doing here. So I'm going to select here first of all, and then I have to merge the cell. So I can right click and then go to merge cell, or I can actually go to layout here and then go to merge cell here, any one of them. So the next thing I'm going to do is to make sure they are center aligned, and then make sure that they are also aligned vertically. Okay, and what's the next thing? So text direction, you want to change the text direction to maybe something like this, and then maybe increase the text. Let's increase the text a little further. Something like this is fine, and then finally make the text to be white, and then that will disappear. And then you want to go to shape fill, and then you want to take black. Okay, so we're able to achieve that. Okay, that's fine. So we're able to achieve sorry, column 1, 2, and 3 looks like this. Okay, so let's first of all, you can see the columns here, they are all center aligned, so we need to adjust everything too. So let me just select everything and then go to center alignment. Let me see how the alignment. Okay, so it's aligned vertically at the middle too. So you want to go to table layout, you want to actually align everything vertically. Now if you look at the second row here, which is number 3 in the rating and the description, you will see that be heard goes down to the next line. All right, and if you look at the last row here, you see for adults moves to the next line. So I will adjust the table just to be like that. Okay, so one of the things I will do actually here is to select everything this side. I want to make the width to be maybe 5 cm, and then enter. So that will give me that. So what I'm going to do is I'll from here adjust. Sorry, let me undo that again. So I want to adjust from here. Let me just move this table to the left. Okay, so let me first of all adjust it this side, and then start from this side, and then adjust, keep adjusting until you have something. So be heard. Let me see whether it's gonna fall in. Okay, so it falls in, so I need to adjust a little bit. Okay, so I think I've been able to achieve that. Let me see, children. Okay, children here, and then I have this for adults. So I'm just being a perfectionist here. I don't know whether if this is, but I think that's fine. I think it's better to try as much as possible to do it like it was done in a paper. So the next thing I'm going to do is I need to distribute these guys evenly, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to adjust this one to the right, just to make it, look well distributed. Okay, so I think that's about it. So and I think this one is already, I think it's fine. It's fine. Maybe push it up a notch, and then I think it's fine. All right, so I think possibly it is looking like what we have on the table here. Any other thing? So if you see anything that I omitted on this, please leave a comment down below, but most likely I did not. All right, so we can move on to number 29. It says on the slide with the title content descriptors, select the 7 bulleted items, bad language to suggestive themes. Okay, bad language here to suggestive themes, and format them to look like this. Okay. Okay, so let's go look for it. Content descriptors. Okay, I think that's the next one here. So what you want to do, you want to select from here to here, suggestive themes. You want to select that. So we want to change the bullet format. We want to go to bullet here, click on the arrow by the side, and then go to bullet and numbering down here. What we want to do is to click on customize. You want to make sure you click on this one here. That's the hyphen, soft hyphen. You want to OK that. Okay, so and OK everything. So that will give you the hyphens. So the next thing we want to do, we want to push the indentation forward. So you want to go to paragraph here, increase list level. Okay, so you want to click on it, and then that will increase list level. All right. So another thing you notice is that the font is in italic. Okay, so we want to make it italics. Okay, so we make it italic. Okay. I don't know, from me looking at it, I think the font probably might be smaller. So just one step down. Just one step down, that's fine. Okay, so I think it's cool. All right, so that looks like this, right? So we move on to 30. On the slide with the title online gaming safety, format the text age rating. Okay, so let's first of all find the online gaming safety. Let's find the slide. So this is it here, online gaming safety, right? So they say we should format the text age rating. So this is a text here, age rating, right? In the last bullet point, okay? So that when clicked, it goes to the slide with the title age rating system. Okay, so this is the slide that has the age. This one is the one that has the age rating system. So you want to go ahead to online gaming safety slide. You want to simply select only the age rating, right? So so want to make sure that when we click on that age rating, it will take us to age rating system, right? So what you want to do, you want to right click on it. You want to go to links, click on links, and then you want to click on place in this document. So you want to click on it. All right, so you want to go and select age rating system, which is the slide you want it to go when you click on it, right? So I'm going to OK that, right? So in order to test this, you can put it in slideshow, Shift F5. When you put it in a slideshow, when you click on age rating, it will take you to age rating system. So our link is working perfectly. So I'll go back there. So it says that take a screenshot evidence to show that the text links to the correct. Take a screenshot evidence to show that the text links to the correct slide. Place this in your evidence document. Okay, so what we can do here is just to go there, go to the link, right click on the link, and then go to edit link, and then that will show us this dialog box. So you want to actually take a screenshot. So I'm going to take a screenshot here, right? If I want, I can even take a whole screenshot to show that the link is there actually. So I'm going to leave it like that. Where's my evidence? Is my evidence still there? Let me see. Okay, I still have my evidence. So this is actually step 30. So I'm hoping to see 30. Okay, so that's the next one here. So I'll enter and then I'll paste that right there. Okay, so that's fine for me. So I'll OK that. Okay, so I think 30 is done. So we're done up to 30. So number 31, save the presentation. So we should save the presentation, yes. And then print slides 2, 3, 4, and 5 only as handouts in portrait orientation with 2 slides to the page. Okay, each slide filling half the page. Okay, so what we're going to do here, there are a couple of ways we can do this. So we can actually click on the first slide. So since I want to I want to print the second slide, slide 2 to 5. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hold down my my shift key, and then simply select the fifth one. So that will select from 2 to 5 for me. So I will simply go to file and then go to print. Okay, and then here I want to go to print selection. I want to click on print selection. Okay, so the 4 that you have, so it's going to give you just those 4 from games reading 2, right? So you can go ahead to print. Another way we can do this is to, if you remove the selection here, you go to file, you want to go to print. Another way you can do that is you choose the slide number. So the slide numbers will be 2 to 5, or you can do 2 comma 3 comma, but since it's just sequential, so it's 2 to 5, right? So let's see. So as you can see, all of them from 2 to 5, they are all there, right? So that's how you can do that. So the next thing we want to do is to choose the format of the layout. So 2 slides per page. Okay, so we're going to have a maximum of 2 pages, right? Okay, so you want to check that your name, serial number, and candidate number they are all written on each slide, and which they are. So, but if you want them to appear on every page, on top of the page, not really inside the slide, you can click on edit header and footer. You can put you can check this header or the footer any way you want them to appear. So if I have my name and center number, something like that, center number, you will see that if I apply it to all, it's going to have my name and center number up here. So but I don't really need it, so I'm going to probably uncheck them. Okay, let me just delete that, and then before I uncheck, delete that, and then uncheck them, then apply to all to remove them. Okay, so let me see if they are still there. Okay, they're not going to be there, I guess. Let me see. Go to print. Is it still there? Well, so if you wish to, you can leave it there. But I don't think it's that necessary. I don't think it's really that necessary. So you can actually, not bother putting it there, right? So that's it. So you can go ahead to print. What's the next one? Let's see. Let's see the next question. Is there any other question? Okay, so everything here is done, right? And task 5, printing the evidence document. Make sure that your name, center number, and candidate number appear on every page of your evidence document. Save your evidence document and print your evidence document. Okay, I think that's about it. Yeah. So one thing I would like to do, let me even see, because I don't like, I'm such a perfectionist. As you can see, this name that is showing up here. So let's see whether it's going to appear on our PDF. So let me just go to where October, November, and then go to my so this is a printout what I call it now, printout 31, right? Printout step 31, sorry, step 31, printout printout 3, I guess, whatever. Okay, no, so step 31 printout. Let me just leave it at that, and then save that and see what comes out. Step 31 printout. Let's see. Okay, so this appears, actually it appears there. So what can we do to make sure it doesn't appear? Let's see, let's go back there and then go to print. What else can we do here? So let's remove this. Let's take it back. Let's take everything back and then see if this. Let's see. Take everything back to normal, and then let's see. What's next? Okay. So I will simply, okay. So let me go back and just do it this way. Hold on my shift key. Select this. This is just for for curiosity's sake, right? I can go there. Select one more time, print selection, and then make it to be 2 slides per page. See that is still there, right? So how do we make sure that that is not there? So I'm going to click. I thought I removed it from here actually, right? So let me leave it checked, and then apply that to all. So I'll make sure that nothing is there, right? So I think that's the best way to do it, right? So you want to go right there and then remove everything and then apply to all, and probably uncheck again, and then maybe cancel or something, and then that's it. So it doesn't appear. So if I go ahead to do this to save it, let me say print out test, something like that, and then save it. Let's see. So I'll go, where's printout test here? So I'll open it so nothing, it doesn't show again. So that's actually how you can remove it and then you can add it. It's just a added, just a suggestion, but I don't think it is necessary because your information is already here. So information is on every slide. So I think it may not really need it, right? Okay. So that's just I was just being curious to be sure that I can remove that, right? Okay. So I think that's about it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and then leave a comment if you have anything to pass across to others. Thank you so much. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.